The turntable at the Toronto Railway Museum is one of the most interesting working railway features in downtown Toronto. It is a large rotating railway platform, about 120 feet or 37 meters long, that was originally built in 1929 by the Canadian Pacific Railway to service steam locomotive in John Street Roundhouse. The turntable rotates in a very simple but fascinating mechanical process. It's basically a giant balancing bridge that pivots in the center. So what the turntable does? Rotate locomotive so they can face the correct direction. Move the train into different install inside the roundhouse. Connect the track that spread out like spokes from a central point. Steam locomotive usually could not easily run in reverse, so they needed to be physically turned around. The turntable is fully restored and still operational. It is used to move historic train and equipment around Roundhouse Park. Visitors can even take a short ride while it rotates during the warm season. It gives a great view of the park and even the CN Tower nearby. So why it is special? One of the longest is operational turntables in Canada, still working in its original location area. Rare example of real railway machinery still in public use, not just display. Turntable ride times 2026 season is daily during summer season, May 15 to September 7, 2026. The best time is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. So it depends on the weather condition. No tickets or reservation needed. Just show up and wait for your turn. Please like, comments, and subscribe for more adventure.